Hello, and thank you for joining me to work on the Summer Bridge Activities Workbook for 4th to 5th grade. Today we are on day 3. It's right there. Day 3 is going to be page 7. Mixed Math Practice and Grammar. When estimating numbers, round each number to the nearest place value before adding or subtracting. Estimate the sums and differences. So we're estimating, so it's not going to be exact addition. So we need to round up or down to the nearest place value before we add or subtract. So 93, is this 5 or more? Is the 3 5 or more? It's not, so we round down to 90. And the same thing with the 12. Is the 2 5 or more? It's not, so we round down to 10. So 90 minus 10 is 80. So 93 minus 12 is different than 90 minus 10 equals 80, which is our estimate. So it's a little bit weird, but it's good. It feels different. So 8. Is 8 5 or more? Yes. So we have to go up. We get to go up, but then we have to carry the 1 so that 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have a 0 in the space for the 8 and then a 10 in the space for the 9. They're already starting out tricky. So next up we have 12, and we did 12 here, so is 12 the 2 5 or more? No, so we're going to go down to 10. So 98 becomes 100 because we rounded up to 100. 12 rounded down becomes 10. So 100 minus 10 equals 90. Problem number 3. 93 minus 39. Is the 3 5 or more? It's not, so we round down. Is the 9 5 or more? It is, so we round up. So 39 would become the 0. 9 would become the 0 because we're going up to 10. But we have to add 1 here because it is 10. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 90 minus 40 is 50. Did you get 50? I hope so. 891 minus 551. So same thing. Are the ones 5 or more? They're not. So we're going to go down. So down to 0, and these stay the same. So 890 minus goes down, and these stay the same, so it's 550. So 890 minus 550. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So 340. So we need to check this one because it's bigger, right? So 340 plus 550, 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. Is that our answer? Oh, it is. Look, we're right. So we just wanted to double check that one because it's 3 digits, right? We're in the hundreds place. So back to number 5. 57 minus 39. Is this 5 or more? Yes. Is this 5 or more? Yes. So both of them are going to go up. So 57 rounded to the nearest place value is going to be 0, and then this one going up is 5 plus 1 is 6. 39 plus 1, because that's all it is to the nearest place value, that's going to be, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So 60 minus 40, what's 6 minus 4? 20. So we're estimating 20. 24 plus 35. Is it 4, 5 or more? No. So we go down with that one. Is this 5 or more? Yes. So we're going to go up to 40. And so that becomes a 0. We have to add the 1. And so 3 plus 1 is 10 for 40. So 20 plus 40, 60. We see how simple these are? Well, we have to stop and think, right? So the 9s are 5 or more, yes. So then we go up, and it becomes 219. No, that was silly. We have to follow the process. So our 9s become 0. We add the 1. 209 becomes 210. For 179, the 9 is 5 or more, so we're going to go 0, and then add the 1. So the 7 plus 1 is 8, and it's 180. So 210 plus 180 is going to be 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 2 plus 1 is 3, so 390. The last one for this section, 64 plus 39. Is 4, 5 or greater? No. So it's going to go down to 0. We don't have to add anything. So is the 9 5 or more? Yes. So we change that to 0, and then we add a 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 60 plus 40 equals 100. And it's an estimate because 64 plus 39 is different than 60 plus 40. But you're just kind of guessing on what you need. It's not an exact number. An estimate is a close guess. So for the next section, we have circle the relative pronoun in each sentence. Then write 2 sentences of your own that use relative pronouns. The boys who live next door to me have a playful brown dog. So what are we talking about?